everyone, it's Dawn from my home in Connecticut, and I'm about to go out for my daily walk. But weather forecast says it's about to rain. I am not an umbrella person. That is why I'm wearing my rain hood, which is completely water resistant. So when the rain hits, I can stay out for hours. My hair is gonna look great and my head is gonna stay dry. But the best part about this is, see this 1-inch brim right here? Well, when the water hits the brim, it's just going to repel right off and it's not going to go into my face. The other thing I love is, look at this gorgeous 25-inch chiffon scarf. It is so fashionable and will make any coat look absolutely chic. Wrap it around or tuck it into your coat. When you're done with it, this rain hood tucks right into its own pouch. All you do is, the pocket in the back, you just want to invert it so the chiffon material shows. When it shows, you're just going to stuff the entire rain hood and scarf right into the pouch. And then it easily goes right into your coat pocket, in your glove compartment, or in your handbag. Thanks guys, and I hope to see you soon.